Mercedes just dropped something that looks like it came straight from 2040. The e-Vision GT, a supercar that doesn't just drive, it breathes. And today, we're breaking down every insane detail, from its shape-shifting glass roof to the holographic dashboard that talks to you. Now, I know what you're thinking. Mercedes already has hypercars. The AMG 1, the Vision EQXX, but the e-Vision GT? It's a whole new species. Think, luxury from another dimension, power from another planet. Let's start with what you can't ignore, the design. Liquid titanium alloy panels, obsidian silver finish with sapphire undertones, and that full 360-degree LED light strip wrapping the entire car like a pulse of energy. Every curve is wind sculpted. Even the air vents move in real time to reduce drag. And yes, those gull-wing doors are back, but with invisible hinges and active lighting vanes that glow when the car senses your approach. Inside feels like sitting in the future. The entire dashboard, one continuous OLED sheet that curves around you, projecting a 3D interface with your speed, environment, and even your heartbeat. The yoke steering wheel has a built-in display showing telemetry and navigation. Underneath that sculpted body sits Mercedes' twin electric EQ drive pulse system. 1,250 horsepower, 0 to 100 in 1.9 seconds, and a top speed electronically capped at 420 kilometers per hour. Range? About 1,200 kilometers on a single solid-state charge. The car doesn't just assist, it learns. The AI co-pilot, Eterna Sense, analyzes your driving style, adjusts suspension in milliseconds, and even changes ambient lighting to match your mood. It's like having an emotional connection with your car. So, what do you think? Is the Vision GT a glimpse of Mercedes' next reality, or just a dream wrapped in silver? Let me know in the comments. Would you buy this car if it existed? If you love this concept, hit that like button, and make sure to subscribe because next week, we're diving into Ferrari's 2026 Aerovlux. And trust me, it's even crazier.